Instead of just listing a bunch of reasons that I think that GetResponse is the best email autoresponder for you as an affiliate marketer, I was actually just going to take a little time in this video to show you the way that I use it. And in the course of showing you the way that I use it, you'll see, or you'll be able to determine if it's the best fit for you. Also, there's a link in the description and the pinned first comment that will take you over to a comparison chart so you can see the other ones that are in this same space that apply to you as an affiliate marketer. And you can watch this video and see exactly what I do so that you know what you need to do as an affiliate marketer when you're using this tool to run your online business. So how am I using GetResponse? So I have an audience, and that audience is the traffic that I get over on YouTube that comes over to a landing or squeeze page where people opt in to my email list. And that email list is built on a GetResponse, or those names of the people in my audience are added to GetResponse, and then I send them to more content with affiliate links and or over to the affiliate offer sales page of the product that I'm offering for the solution to the problem that my audience has based on the content that I am delivering on YouTube. Most of the time, the way I do that is I send people over to a squeeze page like the one you see here. This was built with GrooveFunnels and GroovePages, but this element here, this opt-in piece where it says name, email, and click Get Started Now. Once someone enters their name and their email in that landing page, that email address is sent over to GetResponse and they're delivered this page or the affiliate offer that I'm promoting via that squeeze page. Don't worry, I am going to get over to GetResponse and show you inside, but I want to show you this for completeness. This form encased in this red square is actually a GetResponse component inside of GroovePages using GrooveFunnels and a redirect here to a URL, which is an affiliate link, in this case a Pay Kickstart link, that adds them to a GetResponse list via the GetResponse integration and picking one of the lists, adding that person to the list, and then sending them a confirmation email like the email that you see here that was delivered or powered by GetResponse. Which takes me into GetResponse, and this is the main dashboard once you log into your account. Again, there's a link in the description that will show you the comparison of all the features, but the idea here is once you log in, actually you can get a free account, you can log into your dashboard, and you can follow these quick actions. Now, the tools that I use under the tools menu are contacts, email marketing, as well as automation. There are tons of other features here, but as an affiliate marketer, I think the place to start to understand, to wrap your head around actually getting started with GetResponse is understanding that contacts is where you build the list of people that are interested in the offers that you are providing or you are trying to promote as an affiliate. Here on this page of contacts and your list, there are also statistics. When you click on that, one of the powerful features here inside of GetResponse is actual statistics and list trends and things that are happening inside of your list that you need to be aware of to understand the general performance of your list, meaning how well they are actually working or not working. Back to tools under email marketing. This is where you see the statistics on your newsletter. The newsletter, or when you click create newsletter, is where you actually write your message to your list. Here you can see linked list. This is a list you'll use to check your message statistics. Again, this is the power inside of GetResponse, is it gives you statistics for each of your lists that you create, which is groups of people that you want to communicate with based around the content driving to the offer, and then you want to group those people together. You can create a subject line. You can actually create a preview text, which is a brief and catchy summary to encourage people to open your email, meaning they'll see the subject line, then they'll see this preview text, then they'll actually click to open to read the email that you are sending to the recipients. Again, those recipients are part of the list, and then you can actually design the content here under the design message. And here you can use any of their predefined templates, and also you can save your templates. Once you create your own, you can also utilize their blank templates, which basically break it down into columns and different formats that they've used to build their templates. There's also an HTML editor if you want to just enter HTML raw HTML right into this and then preview that as a message. And then also, this is the most powerful feature for me that I use every day, is I use the ability to go and click on the existing messages, which is a message that I sent the previous day, and I simply click use template. And inside this template, I have my basic format of sending my text-based emails. But the power of this is that my signature and my PS sometimes change, but rarely they do. Very seldom I don't change this. Maybe I'll just change this that I put in quotes right here. But the link, if I'm doing a promotion or a series of broadcasts over a few days, the link really doesn't change, except for maybe when I actually come in here, I will add some type of identifier at the end if it's an affiliate link, where I'll put something like you see here, like the date, depending on the format for the affiliate link and the way that you can add this identifier. So I know each day I send a new email, and I can actually track those clicks depending on the marketplace that I'm using. An example of one of the marketplaces would be Warrior Plus. Here you can click and check your affiliate daily stats. And then here you can drop down, for example, see the last 7 days of your affiliate daily stats. Then you can click on the product that you're an affiliate for. Then here under my affiliate stats, for this product, you can see the tracking codes, and you can see the dates that I put here for the specific emails from a specific list. You can see the number of hops, the number of sales, and the conversions based upon those hops and those sales based upon using that code. That code that I talked about right here is a simple identifier utilizing a Warrior Plus link that you would add here inside of your broadcast email that you would type out and then send to the recipients on your list. And of course, you can either send that immediately, or GetResponse also has the power to actually click and schedule this for a different time based upon the calendar, the date, as well as the time, as well as the time zones. So you can make sure that that is going out to your list that you've created, the recipients on your list inside of GetResponse. And again, what I'm talking about here is your audience, my audience on YouTube. Just like you're my audience right now watching this video, you can click on the link in the description. It'll take you over to a landing or squeeze page, and it'll put you on an email list. Then once you have those names on an email list, you can do what I just showed you, and you can actually send out emails to more content, and you can track those emails, and you can set those emails to go out at the exact time and date based upon time zone that you want them to be delivered to your actual email list. And when you're here inside of GetResponse, like I said, there's a dashboard here with lots of quick links. But the idea here is you drop down to the tools and you pick the tools that you need, starting with contacts. These are the people. These are the contacts you're going to put and build out email lists. Email marketing. This is where you're actually going to create broadcasts or newsletters and send out daily emails. Then there's also automation, which allows you to create workflows and set up automation messages. So you can have this run on autopilot, and you can actually get to the point where this is happening in the background and you are doing and creating what they call passive income. So what you see here is a pretty straightforward automation. Someone subscribes to my email list that I call GetResponse YouTube, which is the email list that you will be subscribing to. So you will actually be going through this automation. When you subscribe to the list, you will be sent an email. It'll wait for 1 day, and then whether or not that email is opened or not, then you will receive email number 2. If it is not opened, then that list, for example, if you were on this list and you didn't open the email, you will be resent another email called YouTube 1 Resend. Basically what happens, or what this automation is doing, is it's giving you a better opportunity as an affiliate to make sure that people are going to see and open your emails and click on your links. And all these workflows can be set up, and once you have them set up, again, they are working in the background. They are automations. This is the power of the tools, or the set of tools that I use: contacts, email marketing, as well as automation. But don't forget, there are tons and tons of other features here. And like I said, there's a link in the description that will compare all these features inside of GetResponse at the price point that you pay, or the monthly payment that you pay to GetResponse. And you can actually check out these versus the other softwares that are out there that do the same thing that GetResponse does. And if you have any specific questions about GetResponse, or you want to see the way that I use it, or you want to see a specific tool, go ahead, let me know in the comments, and I will make another video talking about GetResponse and how to use that. But in the meantime, link in the description. Take some time, get a free account, compare these features to the other features and how much they cost versus what they cost on those other platforms. And I'll talk to you later.